Quilt Nation, Cool Marine here. So we're still working on Punisher skull, right? So last when we left off, we got the skull done, right? All crumb piece, right? But I was looking to put it on a background that was gonna be pretty good. And so I was waiting on this blacked out camo, and it came. And as you can see, if you can see, you see the repeat in it. Hopefully I'll be able to supply you a photo of what it looked like on there, right? But I didn't like it. So I had this choice, then I had the black, just all on a blacked out background, right? So I had Kona show, some Kona black show up, and I had this black, and it just looked too plain. There was just too much openness in it, right? So I was like, all right, I might as well commit all the way. So I went with what I know, some kaleidoscope black on black. And as you can see, I'm putting it together right now. And this is what we got, right? So I used all different blacks in it, right? I got some Kona, I got some other blacks in there, and this is what we're gonna go with, right? Because if you're gonna do it, might as well go all the way with it. So you're looking at it horizontally. So the skull will sit right here facing out this way and down, teeth this way. And I think it's coming out pretty good. So once I get this done, we'll put the skull on it, then, we'll square it off, right? And that'll be it for it. But when I'm gonna border it, I'll probably border it with some Kona black, right? Because some of these blocks are contrast and they'll stick out into the border. And I might bind it with some Marpat camo, because remember, if you're a fan, Frank Castle was a Marine. So there'll be some Marine digi camo on as the bind. And I haven't come up with the back yet. I saw this great fabric. It has the police tape on it, right? Like, back away, that thing, keep out police tape fabric, but it's like way too crazy in price. So I'm trying to find something similar to that to put on the back. That would be a great backing to put on this quilt, and I can't get that out of my head. So I'm trying to search that out right now. So if you have a resource, all right, reach out to me, let me know. But what I saw was the police tape. The police tape was at like $20 a yard. I'm not paying that, all right? And I'm gonna try to have to research it, try to get it in. I think that's the only way you can go on this, right? Is the Punishers on the front and then a warning on the back, right? There's been some other ones that I've seen, but I think that's what I'm gonna go with. After that, we'll send it to Andrew. I don't know how Andrew's gonna long arm it, but the Punisher has some great quotes, so hopefully he goes with one of his quotes. But that's the progress right now, okay? So this is how far we've gotten. I'll keep you posted all right, so you'll definitely see we'll record when I mount the skull on this, okay? But this is the progress, all right? Sorry for the delay. I just could not find what I wanted to put the skull on. And now that I'm fully committed to the black on black, I think this is really nice. So that's what we're gonna go with, okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.